Do you want to know how you can search the items using image on Shein? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search the items using image on Shein. Go ahead and open Shein, which is on your phone. You can see the search bar on the top right hand corner, and next that you can see the camera icon. Tap on it and then click allow access. Go ahead and give the permissions from here. So after you give the permissions and click allow access, you can see that you will be able to give permissions. So go ahead and go to camera and go to allow while using the app. Go back once again and you can see if you click allow access, you have the permissions now. So go ahead and search by aiming at the product, click the photo, and you can search visually. This is the way how you can search for items visually or by image on Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.